سيدنا نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Just we need comment بإذن الله المولى one ayah. Allah says ولو أن أهل القرى آمنوا واتقوا لفتحنا عليهم بركات من السماء والأرض ولكن كذبوا فأخذناهم بما كانوا يكسبون أفأمن أهل القرى أن يأتيهم بأسنا بياتا وهم نائمون أو أمن أهل القرى أن يأتيهم بأسنا ضحى وهم يلعبون. This ayat Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is hinting us He created humanity to be aware of His existence, and we need actually to worship Him because that's our future. That's why Allah says ولو أن أهل القرى آمنوا واتقوا لفتحنا عليهم بركات من السماء والأرض. If the community of townships, different townships in the world, had believed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and fear of Him, then we would certainly have opened up for them His blessings from the heaven. He's supposed to get a rain, everything, and then also from the earth. That's why our natural resource comes from the heaven and also from the earth. وَفِي السَّمَاءِ رِزْقُكُمْ وَمَا تُوعَدُونَ. All our profession comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, from the heaven, and then also from the earth. What's the problem? Allah said, وَلَكِنْ كَذَّبُوا. Always they deny. Always they belie. Always they resist against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, against His prophets, alayhim salatu wasalam. That's why Allah said, وَلَكِنْ كَذَّبُوا فَأَخْذْنَاهُمْ بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ. That's why Allah said, we banished them for what they did. This is the difference between Muslim and Kafir. Any natural phenomena takes place in the world, happen to us. If you are a disbeliever, you're going to think something that happened actually randomly, which has nothing to do with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But the Muslim person, anything happen in this world, happen because of a reason. الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا. All our life and our death were created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for a reason. So as long as you are Muslim, if you have a hardship through this life, Allah is going to test you whether you're supposed to be patient with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why Prophet Ayub, he has been sick 18 years. Very bad sickness. That's why Allah gave him actually patience. Subhanallah. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, while you are Muslim, gives you wealth, everything, it doesn't mean you are better than other people. Allah looking at you, the way you manage the resource Allah gave you, subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why non-actually Muslims like that. So if they actually think twice, in this world today, we have, as our Prophet told us, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, we have disasters, we have tsunamis, we have storms, we have actually different illnesses, we have HIV, we have actually poverty, we have wars, all this natural actually phenomena were told us by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We can get through the Quran. It shows us the day of Qiyamah is approaching us, is coming to us as a Muslim community. But the people who don't believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who don't believe in Quran, in Sunnah, they are thinking just it's a joke. Global warming. They mention whatever they like. They call it natural phenomena, they're going to say. But as a Muslim community, we are very intelligent. We know this information from the Quran, from the Sunnah. That's why we need actually to come back to Allah always. If you have hardships, you need to be patient, because Allah is going to test you. If you are blessed, still you are going actually to be tested by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So both of the actually, that extreme, we need to keep ourselves in between. If you are actually blessed, say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. If you actually have some problems, say قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يعجب الله أمر المؤمن إذا أصابه ضراء. If Muslim goes through a problem, sabr, he will be patient, because that problem comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وإذا أصابته سراء, if that Muslim happen and he goes through actually blessings, he knows that blessing comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So he shakar, he say Alhamdulillah, ولا يكون ذلك إلا للمؤمن. Only that will be for only mu'min. So we should be understand. وجزاكم الله والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.